Please subscribe and like and share.
Good morning sa inyo mga ka-MG. Welcome back na naman po sa panibago natin vlog. Ngayon pong araw, dito tayo ngayon sa Roas Boulevard southbound. Ang araw po natin ngayon ay August 3 upang i-update naman po natin ang isang project dito na ginagawa. Ito yung Mia Station. So mapapansin natin itong malaking gusali na to. Yan po yung City of Dreams na Malaginto. O, di ba? So kung gusto niyo mamasyal diyan, meron po silang website. So ano niyo lang guys, i-PM niyo lang sila para ma-accommodate kayo diyan. So maganda diyan sa loob, maraming pasyalan at syempre makakapag-relax kayo diyan ng gusto. So malapit na tayo rito sa ating i-update, kaya samahan niyo po ako ngayong araw na ito. Kamusta po kayo mga kababayan sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at mga kababayan nating OFW at mga immigrant. Hello po sa inyo lahat.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago. Oh.